Hello traders, in this video I would like to have conversation with my students and I would like to discuss summary of historical months of June. This is what played out at the start of June. We have a competition between traders to celebrate 10-year anniversary of Fibonacci Trading Institute, and every single day traders share performance, and every single day we have traders from beginner to hedge fund manager who are sharing how they trade, what and why. So this is Scott this morning, as you can see by Scott's phenomenal quote. Scott is extraordinary human being who never gets sick of winning. Winning is much more than rejuvenating than mediocrity. Could not agree more. As you can see what Scott has done after a couple of weeks with Fibonacci Trading Institute. First few weeks, Scott came to classes, practiced and executed non-stop, working, practicing many hours per day, making a serious effort paid off. This is a number of points only in 1 week. 18,000 points on S&P. Scott trades large lot size. This is only one of our students. Let's take a look at few other days and what played out during the months of June. As Sanjeev reporting, trading European morning on Dow, being done instantly. Scott reporting profit factor 233, as you will see clearly profit factor improving daily. Brad reporting one of the very simple mornings, trading only 6 minutes, 2 points and a quarter on S&P. On 1 lot, $100, on 10 lots, $1,000. Do the math. What would you do working 6 minutes per day? 15 win, 1 loss for the month of May. Here's another day with Alpha Fibonacci traders. Kenneth is killing it on SPY and Bitcoin. 46 for 46 trades. Pablo killing it on gold. Gary trading Dow. Steve killing it with options on NQ. And that's another confirmation of what's possible with Alpha Fibonacci system when Gene trading completely different instruments, SPY, QQQ, BABA, other stocks. And when we keep evolving this month, look at that, my goodness! Scott is sharing 147K on S&P, Pablo killing it on oil, Steve reporting more and more. Every single day, every single trader celebrating ultimate confidence, ultimate precision with Alpha Fibonacci system. And yes, this is historical day when Scott reporting quadrupling 100K account in 4 days. This is where it's coming from. Guerrilla mindset is a goal. And it keeps coming, traders. It keeps getting better and better and better and better. PF factor for Scott no longer 2. It is 5 for longs. Because institutional bias remains bullish. And as Scott says, going against institutional bias on global weekly is an error. As students joking, who will play you in the movie? It never gets old. Boom. Historical months with incredible team, with incredible traders. It's not your average return. It is not. 4,200% from 100K to 4.5 million. This is spectacular is understatement. At this speed, Jeff Bezos will be Scott's busboy. Scott is unstoppable. So is Ken. 57 for 57 call options on SPY Bitcoin XLM. And that's how traders continue inspiring each other. And this is community of incredible traders. Pablo trading gold, Andy trading Dow, Scott reporting gold, S&P, Dow, Bitcoin. It never gets old, I promise. Every single day. When Ken, our incredible student, making a movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute, you can see a preview, a clip on our home page. And that's the reason I love what I do. Because of Gene's success. Because of what's possible if you make an effort. It never gets old, I promise. Steve 2780 on Dow. Scott sharing funnel shaped more and more contracts on gold. Steve keeps reporting options on NQ. And that's the reason I love what I do. And this means the world. And Scott sharing in the email. While taking your course after only 2 weeks, it has become more evident that this was the best tuition value ever. Magnificently loved and humbled to be with a group under your guidance. Thousands and thousands of emails later, we're celebrating 10 years with Fibonacci Trading Institute with our students every single day. Scott reporting today on June 30th PF 4.7. First month with Fibonacci Trading Institute. Brad is a legend. The beast mode is a ticket. Throw away the savage switch, would you? These are extraordinary human beings supporting each other. Don is killing it. Every trader different account. Every trader decides what instrument to trade. Choice is yours. Because only through serious effort, only through serious focus comes a success. Success formula remains exactly the same. Through suffering comes the enlightenment. Through effort comes the success. You decide what you want to trade. That's it. That's the historical month of June with incredible Alpha Fibonacci traders. If these traders can do it, so can you. What are you waiting for? Spectacular community, incredible traders, incredible positivity, incredible power, spectacular mindset, serious effort, with phenomenal system traded in US and globally. And these are very typical comments because I love what I do. So if you're serious about markets, I look forward working with you. All of this only through 20 trading days in June. It is only 1/10 of the posts I received. 1/10. Community of Alpha Fibonacci traders spreading the virus. Love virus. So if you are serious about trading, I look forward to working with you. Please review the information on the website and decide what option appropriate for you. 4 options available with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, with software, or trade on any platform. 3 months group classes or 6 months private mentoring, which includes all group classes, video library, and modules. If you would like to see the clip our incredible student made, please review. It is posted on website. If you would like to listen to podcasts from our incredible traders, listen to our podcast channel. You would like to see more videos from our students, view reviews, and details about courses on the product section. Any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply call or email me 925-257-4298. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's the email from Scott I just received. What a way to close historical months of June. Thank you, traders. It's been my honor being with you.